Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the only way client is fully patched. This avoids mismatched spawn data. Once done, hit level 30 and finish the tutorial quest chain because those unlock the class progression flag. Next, farm 3 night sigils and a single host key from the early dungeons. You'll need them to initiate the Nightreign rite. Make sure to clear the required NPC dialogue. Skipping lines prevents the rite trigger. Begin immediately while objectives are fresh. You now travel to the Midnight Altar at coordinates 12, 4, -3, 8. This location hosts the rite trigger. Once at the altar, open the interface and combine the 3 night sigils with the host key. This assembly signals the server to spawn the Nightreign challenge. After you select the right option, prepare to survive a 90-second wave event. Surviving proves commitment and registers your class unlock. Make sure to bring 1 healing potion and a stun totems to control the first waves. You finish by completing the final dialogue with the High Warden. That conversation mints your Nightreign class token. Once received, walk to any class trainer and redeem the token to permanently unlock the Nightreign class. If you fail to get the token, relog and check your inventory for the required items and quest flags. Sometimes a desync blocks the mint. If problems persist, retry the rite within 24 hours because server-side cooldowns can clear stale triggers and allow a fresh attempt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.